Hindi po kami sabay-sabay dumating po. Kasi po by batches po ang labas ng mga containers.
Anong klaseng underguard yun?
Sir, kasi nasa 15 containers po yung Birches, if you may know po. 15
Yes, but you mean to say, when you go underguard, you only guard 5? Shouldn't you underguard the 15?
Yes, sir.
So what happened?
I instructed po yung team din na maghati-hati kami ng containers to underguard.
Yeah,
Kasi,
but the 3, wala.
sir, actually po kasi, out of respect din, they insisted to bring the containers in the FTI. And I also...
Yes, but you're... Nung umalis ng Subic, wala nang ang guard eh.
Meron, sir.
They claim none. They're saying na there was no, they were not under guard.
Sir, may pictures po. May convoy po.
Doon sa 11, hindi yung sa 3. Nililihis po kami, ma'am eh.
Sir, hindi po sila sabay-sabay lumabas po eh. But I can send a picture, sir.
No, you're sending me a picture of the 11, not of the 3. Don't try to mislead this committee. Are you saying there were pictures of the 3? Are you saying there were pictures? You're going to show me pictures of the 3? This is the issue here. Nililihis mo kami, ma'am eh. Tama ba yun?
Pero baka yung guardia.
Yes, sir.
Sino?
Yes, pero they insisted po kasi. Yeah.
Tinanggalan yan.
So wala. Don't, Ms. Gubaton, you are misleading this committee. You claim that there were pictures, but you're claiming the pictures for other trucks, not for this 3. Very clearly, I was talking about this 3. Hindi ba?
Yes po.
Nililihis mo kami, ma'am. You too, we are asking you to explain to us later on, because we will have a fire drill, why you should not be cited in contempt. Yes. So there is a fire drill at 11. Huh? Oh, sorry, I will not announce it, but we have a drill. Yes, and so we will have to later on, but we will come back. Hmm? So, Miss Gabutan, tama ba? Gabutan? Gubaton, sorry, Miss Gubaton. Kilala niyo si Si Chugs?
Sir, hindi po.
Okay. Bakit kasi alam niya yung mga marami siyang alam, no? Si Mr. Chugs. Now obviously may contact siya sa customs. That's why I'm asking you. If you know Mr. Chugs, you say you don't know Mr. Chugs.
No po.
Okay. Mr. Kalisihan, do you know Mr. Chugs?
No po.
Okay. Who in customs would know Mr. Chugs? Because apparently he knows a lot. Apparently he knows where to go, who to look for, papers that are available. But none of you know him. Is that believable? Diba? Diba, tinawagan kayo ni Chug, sabi, ready na yung mga dokumento for pick up. Diba? Ibig sabihin, may nagbigay ng gate pass, di ba? Oh. Di ba? At si Chugs ang nagsabi may gate pass. Oh, di ba? Kanino galing yung gate pass? Di ba sa customs? Tama? Tama? Hindi naman pwedeng pumasok pag walang gate pass na approved ng customs, di ba? So you expect us to believe, Mr. Kalisin, that you don't know Mr. Chugs? Kalisihan, sorry.
No po, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. So, mahirap talagang butas-butas yung ano no? Ang daming mga hindi kapani-paniwala dito sa nangyari. At yung mga paliwanag ninyong examination, diba? X-ray, underguard, e-tracking, 10% examination. So none of you know Mr. Chugs, but he has powers to ensure that the ano tawag dito? The pass, no? Ano yun? Gate pass. Diba? And alam niya yung pasikot-sikot. Alam niya kung kailan kailangan, kung kailan available. Di ba? Kasi yun ang sinabi sa inyo. Okay. So balikan ko lang si Miss Gubaton. Kailan kayo nag-underguard?
Sir, June 28 po.
Nung nilabas na.
Yes po.
Kaso yung sa inyo kailan? 27, no? Ng gabi. Tama?
Hindi ko po nag-effect sa.
Would you remember? Ano, ikaw, Mr. Christopher. Nandun sa ano nyo?
Sa Salaysay po.
Oo nga. 27. 1100 hours. So sa inyo, nag-underguard kayo ng 28. So hindi kayo nag-underguard ng 27. Diba?
Yes, 28 po.
Okay. So yung mga sinasabi niyong picture,
Yes po.
wala dito. Diba? Diba? Kasi nakalabas na eh. Pero hinabol ninyo saan hinabol, Yusek Karag? Sa FTI na.
Hanggat, Mr. Chair, hanggat lahat nagkita-kita doon.
Doon sa Angat.
Yes.
On the 28th.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Early morning. Okay. Anyway, sige. So,